going to be doing a super easy, super sexy smoky eye. It only uses stay stick around because tomorrow there's going to be another Valentine's week video, and I know you do. Hey bunnies, and welcome back to Valentine's week. For today's video, we're going to be doing this super easy, super sexy, smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys actually wear this look on Valentine's Day, and if you do, make sure you tag me in pictures at Kissy Face. So let's just jump into the video right now.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up, you can have it all. Watch me rip it off, I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling.
Okay, bunnies, and that is the look. I hope you guys love it. If you do, comment down in the comment section and let me know. If there's anything you feel like I should have mentioned that I didn't mention product wise, let me know and I'll definitely fill you in on what that was. Come back tomorrow for the next Valentine's week video because I know you guys are gonna love it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Open up to each other. Let today be the day where you reach another level in your relationship.